Hey, what's up guys, what's going on YouTube? This is Vike Studio here. In this tutorial I want to show you how you can quickly export multiple works in CorelDraw in seconds. So you rightly do that with your CorelDraw. So you can see here I have this particular design on a different page. This page 1, this page 2, you can see this page 3. So I'll be showing you in this tutorial on how you can export this at once without wasting much of your time to go and export one by one each page. So I'll be showing you right here in this video. So if you are new watching my video here, you can quickly go on the subscription button and then subscribe to my YouTube channel and then leave a like on this video if this video interests you. So what are you waiting for? Go right there and do that now and join me while we do this. Let's go guys. So alright, so once you are done with that, you launch your CorelDraw. Once you are done designing on each page, so I have my page 1, page 2 and then page 3 here. So what I will do is, since everything have been done on this design, quickly group all your works. It's very important. So go to page 2 also, you do the same, group all your work, Ctrl G, that is a shortcut to that. Then go to page 3 also, group all your works again. So once you are done with that, you have to go back to page 1 and then you go over to your tools here and then you go over to your macros. Okay, go back to your macros and then you go over to where you see run macros here. Okay, so once you are in this page and this dialog pop up, so what you are going to do is go back to this macro ins and then select file converter here. So click on file converter and then what you do is you click on run around here. So what you are going to do is we are going to select our source folder, which is the raw file of this design we are making, where we save this particular file. So we are going to pick that up and then we are going to select our destination folder also, and then they come back to, we are going to select on JPEG. We are going to convert this file to JPEG. So what we are going to do is click on this folder icon here. So we are going to click on search subfolders and then click on this icon here, then go over to your documents. I think my work here is saved in document source, documents, alright. So what you do is go over to that and then your source, where the where your source file is mine is in my document. So I click on that document and then the file type we are going to choose is this CDR, this CorelDraw, and then let's say we go over to this and then look for the name in which you use to save that particular design. Mine, I save that as new one. Okay, let me look for that file. Okay, this is it. So I click on this and then I click add. So I click on OK. The next thing I'm going to do is just to select your destination folder. Okay, so I will be saving that right on my desktop where I have this folder for. So and then I'm going to convert to CorelDraw CDR. Sorry, we are going to convert to JPEG. So scroll down till you find this JPEG bitmap. Okay, so we are going to click on this save each page as a separate file. Okay, so check this and then you go over to your resolution here, check your resolution, and then you are going to select 400. You can use 300, is still fine. So once you are done with that, the next thing you are going to do is just to convert. Okay, once you click on convert, you wait for it to load. Once it finishes loading, then we can go check up our folder where we directed this thing to save. I think you see the file conversion has been complete. So we hit on OK and then we exit. Let's go to the folder. Let's see our design. Okay, I think I saved that on my desktop folder. Okay, this. Alright, so you can actually see these are the 3 designs which I saved here. Okay, these are the 3 designs which I've already saved. So these are the designs which I've already saved. So if this video interests you, why don't you leave a like on this video, and then I will be showing you another tutorial. Many tutorial will be coming up on this channel. So leave a like on this video and then subscribe to my YouTube channel. I want to see you in the next video. This is Vike Studio signing out. Peace.